Welcome back to the Lancaster and Morecambe housing market update for March 2026. As we move through March, we're really starting to see the property market come back to life across both Lancaster and Morecambe. There's been a noticeable lift in activity, more homes coming on, more buyers looking and more sales being agreed. But at the same time, it would be remiss not to acknowledge what's happening in the wider world and how that could start to shape the months ahead. In Lancaster, we've seen a real jump in sales, up around 50% last month alone, which is a strong sign of momentum. Morecambe is a little quieter compared to last year, but actually given everything going on economically, it's still holding up really well. The key thing to know is buyers are still there and they're still making decisions. Let's look at average house prices. So when it comes to pricing, things are actually quite steady. Lancaster sitting around £186,000 and Morecambe just under £178,000. Both are very much in line where they were a year ago. So this isn't a market that's rising quickly or falling, it's just finding its level. What we are seeing though is that things are taking a little longer to sell. In Lancaster, it's around 83 days to find a buyer and then another 114 days to complete the sale. In Morecambe, it's close to 118 days for each stage. So if you're thinking of moving, it's worth planning ahead. Many people come to the market now are realistically looking at an autumn move. Market choice. There's also more choice out there for buyers, which ultimately means they're being a bit more selective. One thing we've been noticing at JDG is that the homes that get snapped up quickly are the ones that are well presented and well cared for. Buyers want something they can move straight into. So now it's time for those tips to sell. Spring, as you all know, is a fantastic time to sell, but presentation really does matter. It's the simple things, light, space, first impressions, they all make a difference. Buyers don't always want a project, so if your home feels ready to move into, you're already one step ahead. If you'd like a bit more detail on what's happening either Lancaster or Morecambe, please just click the links to read the full reports below. I break it down into price, into area, into property type. And if you are thinking of moving and you want some honest advice, please remember, I'm always here to help. All you've got to do is just get in touch.